Mastering English Phrases. Unleashing the power of At Full Throttle. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of English expressions. Our focus? The phrase, at full throttle. Get ready to unlock its meaning, usage, and discover how it can add energy and intensity to your conversations. Let's break it down. At full throttle originates from the field of aviation and automotive engineering, where a throttle controls an engine's power. When a throttle is fully open, the engine runs at maximum power. Metaphorically speaking, when someone or something is at full throttle, it means they are going at maximum capacity or speed, sparing no effort. To grasp any phrase, context is key. Here are a few examples. 1. Personal effort. She's studying at full throttle for her exams, determined to score top marks. 2. Business growth. The startup went at full throttle in its first year, expanding rapidly across the country. 3. Emotional intensity. At the concert, the fans cheered at full throttle, their excitement filling the stadium. Beware of these common pitfalls. Don't confuse it with being reckless. At full throttle implies full speed or effort, but not necessarily without control or consideration. Remember, it's metaphorical. It's used to describe actions and efforts, not just literal speed. Spice up your language by using synonyms. You can interchange at full throttle with phrases like full steam ahead, pedal to the metal, going all out. Each brings a slightly different nuance to your conversation. And that's at full throttle in a nutshell. Use this phrase to express maximum effort, intensity, or speed in a variety of situations. We hope this video helps you navigate the vibrant world of English expressions with ease. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using English at full throttle. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.